So I recently saw a post from a friend of mine on Instagram, and she traveled to London, and someone walked out of Heathrow with all her bags, like literally her suitcase with clothes gone. And in my head, I thought to myself, why did you not insure them? So there is this beautiful insurance package. So if you have your car insured or your contents insured, you can take all risk cover. So all risk covers you for things, personal belongings that you take out of the house with you. So if you have all risk cover, you can have specified and unspecified. So your specified all risk cover will be things like your cell phones, expensive jewelry that's worth more than a certain amount. So generally they'll say worth more than 1,500 or 2,000 rands, then you can specify the item. So you specify the certain items that are above this the threshold, which is 2,000 or 1,500. And everything else, you put a little basket called unspecified all risk cover. So unspecified all risk cover, you can say, I want to cover my all risk items unspecified at, let's say, 30,000 rands. What that means is that for any item that is less than 1,500 that you lose, all those items up to the value of 30,000 or 50,000 or even 5,000 will be, you can claim from your insurer. So what that means is that you would have taken a bag, you would have packed your Adidas sneakers, which cost you 800 rands, be covered under your all risk cover. Let's say you covered those items, the sneakers, you had your hoodies, because she likes hoodies, this friend of mine, she likes the hoodies, she's very like, street smart and stuff. So she has an Adidas hoodie, and that hoodie cost her 1,200 rands. So that's 2,000 rands of all risk items that she's got. So this accumulates to a figure of, say, 10,000 rands. She can actually phone the insurance company. If she has all risk cover unspecified, she'll be able to call her insurance company and say, guys, I was at this airport, here's my proof, here's my evidence, I don't have any of my luggage anymore, I would like to submit a claim. And based on that valid claim, she would pay an excess, and then after the excess is paid, they will be able to actually either give her a voucher to go back to Sports Scene or wherever, or they can pay her out in cash to say, okay, fine, here's cash for your items, you can go and replace them. That's the beauty of all risk cover. So I urge you, if you've got insurance for your car or your contents, but you don't have all risk cover will work for you in those little instances. If you think about it as well, if I take my handbag and somebody snatches my handbag, I've got a wallet. Let's say my wallet was $8.99 and my bag itself was 1,400 rands, and I had my MAC lipstick, I had my powder, I had my MAC brush, etc. Those items are small in value, they're less than 1,500, but put together, they're actually high valued. So in that event, somebody snatches my bag, I'm able to claim for that under my all risk policy. So it's the beauty of this policy. I don't think people are aware of it, but it's actually to the benefit of the client that you have it for yourself, especially when you're traveling, because a lot of stuff happens with luggage, and some things just get lost. And yeah, so call your insurer and ask them to quote you, and it's generally not that bad. But the high value items are obviously more expensive, but in terms of the unspecified all risk, you're sorted. And that's it for me in terms of all risk cover.